Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. I clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 17th through July 1st. For the 17th to 21st, we have a strong ridge here, a 594 DM ridge here over the Four Corners area, causing above normal heights across much of the west. Our trough kind of retrogrades back over to the eastern Pacific, and we have a trough here in the east. And the models are pretty good agreement on this. You can see we go through the various models and the various days, and you can see what I'm talking about. Now, the strong ridge in the southwest will cause dangerous heat for portions of the southwest and the Intermountain West, with anomalies of 15 to 20 degrees will be possible. Here we're going to take a look at the current temperatures. Already temperatures are in the mid or upper 90s across this area. You see 98, 96 in Montana, and don't forget this area has been very dry, adding to the heat and humidity. Now, if let's see if I can do this. We're going to take a look at the climatology for this area. Let's see, this is be for the high for June. And you can see these are the temperatures, 70s. This is far above 80s. Some mid 80s, upper 80s. So this is anomalous for this time of year. Okay, so this is what we're expecting. Now the plains will also will experience some of the heat Thursday with anomalies 10 to 20 degrees above normal. And talking about tropical systems, the National Hurricane Center is monitoring tropical development in the Gulf of Campeche that could bring heavy rain to portions of the central Gulf Coast. And we'll take a look at that at the surface here. You see a low starting to develop here by around Friday, and it will continue to track northward, or is forecast. And then bring heavy rain push eastward and then northeastward to off the mid-Atlantic coast. Now, in addition, we also have a low in the plains at the beginning of the period. You see up here, oops. Let me try to see if I can get it to be stable. Hold on. And you can see it right here, and this will be moving eastward and interact with a frontal boundary, and this will bring rain to portions of the mid-Atlantic and the northeast, which could be heavy. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for June 22nd to 26th. And the flow is forecast to flatten some. Overall, we're expecting, let me see if I can get this. It keeps jumping around. We're expecting this kind of flow, a nearly zonal flow near to above normal heights. But if you look at the European ensembles and the GFS, they bring a trough into the Great Lakes region in northern states. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures for the western states with anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal across areas that have been very dry and been getting the heat lately. And calling for below normal temperatures for this region here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation again for much of this area that has been dry already to remain dry. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for June 27th through July 1st. Generally expecting a zone of flow. The European still brings a trough down into the Great Lakes region. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures for the western states, and I'll forecast anomalies of, again, of up to 12 degrees or more will be possible. Below normal temperatures are forecast here with anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal. Below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation west of the divide, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have up 2 areas above normal precipitation here, and for most of the southeast, the probability of occurrence is near 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 17th through July 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.